it's your girl Rain Purple Wine coming to you with a quick video on some tips and tricks on how to apply your perfume and some other tips for you guys. So here you'll see her. She's doing behind the ear, wrist. I'm going to show you in the next clip how I apply mine. I use a lot. I'm a heavy sprayer, probably about 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's only my top half. I probably do about 15 sprays. And don't forget to go behind your ankles. Here is where I Googled a barcode. I'll show you in my later clip what barcode you can use. You always want to make sure you're using a hydrating lotion. Does have a slight avocado scent, but it doesn't interfere with my fragrance. So make sure your skin is moisturized first and apply while it's damp. One of the things you can do is use dryer sheets, not the ones that are freshly scented, but the ones that have already been used. You can take your perfume, spray them down, and then you can tuck them anywhere. You can put them in the middle of your car seats, inside gym bags, anywhere, just to freshen that place up. Next, I'm going to show you the barcode. You can Google that barcode, and it will let you know if your fragrance is authentic or not. So if you're ever wondering if you have an authentic fragrance or purchase an authentic fragrance, you can use the barcode. Also, I'm pointing to, that was the expiration date. I'll show you on this. Most fragrances give you about 36 months, which is 3 years. You get about 3 years. Most of the boxes say that. That's why I showed you 2 different boxes. But most of my boxes, they say 36 months. I think that is like the going rate. Here's another little trick you can use to travel with your fragrance if you don't want to travel with your bottle. You take some Vaseline. You can spray your fragrance on that Q-tip with the Vaseline. And then put it in a little Ziploc baggie so you can travel with it. Okay? So, that's all I have for you guys today. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.